going on? YouTube, what's going on? I am here this morning getting ready to go to jury duty. So just had a couple minutes and I had one thing on my mind when I checked my emails. So this is where I collect emails from my website. You know how you have contact information. You get these emails from people all over the world that can fix your website and put you on first page. Well, here's one that somebody sent me trying to get me on first page. And the comments and questions, first page rankings on Google says we can put your website on first page. There's a grammatical error. It should be on the first page of Google to drive relevant traffic to your site. Let us know if you would be interested in getting detailed proposal. Getting a detailed proposal would be, I think, a better option there. So they look forward to hearing from us soon. Guaranteed results, 100% money back, and it's from New Delhi, so that's a crock for the most part. I can't say that for everyone. I'm sure some of those people are honest, but it can be a scam. Oh, there goes my camera. Let's see if I can get you back here. But anyways, I wanted to point this out first of all. So they've made some grammatical errors. So if they can put me on first page, which is fine and dandy, a lot of these SEO services will say that they can get you up there quick, and if they can pretty quick, then it would be more of a black hat SEO service. If it takes a few months and they're good at it, it's possible, but if they can do it quicker than that with like backlinks and things like that, Google will punish you. But one thing that a lot of people do not realize is if you go to first page on Google, and let's say they did what they said they were going to do, and they put you at the top, and you're getting all these clicks, but you're not converting. That's a problem. You have to be able to convert once the people are on your website. So they get to your website, they read. If they have a bunch of grammatical errors right there that are probably not going to do business with you because you can't even, write or correctly in English. I'm terrible at it. I know that, and I recognize some of the grammatical errors in this. So I have to get people to proofread a lot of my my articles. But I know that converting to sales is a huge thing. So yes, they can get you there, but can they convert your people that are coming in, your potential clients, into paying customers? That's the big thing, and a lot of people, they don't think about that, and that's huge. It's very important. So I mean, you could be at the first spot in Google, or you could be at the bottom page of that first page of Google, and if you're at the bottom and you're getting 5 people to actually sign up because they actually visited your website, and you're at number 1 and you get one person out of hundreds of clicks, that's a huge difference. I'd rather take that one at the very bottom of the first page. So quick tip with the SEO, just remember that if you're messing around with yours, or if you are having somebody else do it, just make sure that the copyright is correct, that they would be able to convert your leads to sales. So there you go. Talk to you guys later.